Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited Tdci 130 L1H1 short wheelbase, op-start, stop none-runner. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 102,174. MOT, the 8th of February 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 psa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,625 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.